Hello everyone, this is the video of a restoration. It's already a second or third trial of the revival of a laptop battery pack. The battery pack is this. It has several jumpers connected. Sorry for the mess, but I don't want to touch now the table or maybe some connection will fail. You see that I input between the cells these connectors that I call Argilaga connector because I created them. And then there is some crocodile going to this, I don't know how to call this, it's the wires used in Arduino breadboards, and those go to a balance charger, it's a B3 Pro, which I use to charge this LiPo battery here, but this is another project, this is the Electrolux vacuum machine restoration, but it happens to be here because I charged it before. So these 4 wires connect here to balance charge the 3-cell LiPo battery, and in the same way I want to charge this 3 cells in series battery, so 6 cells in total because there are 2 in parallel, with this charger. By doing this I expect the computer to recognize this battery, which now it seems not to be recognized by the computer. It appears like the battery is connected, that it shows the percentage of the charge, but it doesn't charge it. Maybe because at some point some of the cells went below the threshold of voltage, so it doesn't charge it anymore. So what I will try now is just let this charger for the time it needs to get the 3 LEDs green. It means all the cells are topped up, and see if this works. Okay, I left this overnight and now the charger shows, it depends how we look at it. From this angle it's 3 green lights, and from this angle it's the center is green and the other 2 have a tiny bit of red. It means there is some current going to these cells and these cells, but not to these. So this is fully charged and no current is going in, but probably these and these are a bit damaged because the voltage went too low, so there is some little breach between the cathodes and anodes inside, and I think I will just dismiss these cells and take this out to use in other projects. Anyway, I will not try to use it in the laptop because if these 2 cells are damaged, it's useless. So yeah, the revival of the battery wasn't successful. The cells are too old. Okay, see you in the next video.